Good evening all. Imagine a deadly cyber attack on a nuclear power plant where the operating system and reactors are shut down and safety systems are locked. That would be a disaster. Cyber security program is not a paramount on nuclear power plant. Not only a paramount, it is a life-saving program. Whenever I go to a nuclear power plant, I have to sticking up on a cybernetic attack because not all the plant has cyber security program. People life has no price and no effort is too big to protect people life and community. Prevention and vulnerability of nuclear power plant is facing technology challenge because technology is advanced and new approach need to be made. What has to be done? Nuclear power plant personnel are unaware of cyber crime attack. What is that means? Power plants are insecure, insecure control system. That means the beginning of design, at the beginning of the power plant, there was no cyber security program, so they are not equipped. And the patching implementation, the correction is impossible because it will break the system, the existing system, and they cannot shut down the reactors to implement the new system. Also, what that means that personnel are not aware of the cyber crime risk. That means that they are lack of preparedness, which means they don't have proactive approach, they have reactive approach. The way that things happen, that they react. And also they have inadequate training. Training are inexistent on cyber crime, cyber security attack. So what we offer, subscribe to our engineering cyber security program with the installation of a antivirus is the best way to be full protected, which means that you will have a safer plan by have an antivirus. Inadequate and adequate antivirus is needed. Also, a robust and ambitious program, which means that to develop more program, more system, a defense system to address the issue. Also, there should be in a depth preparation. Depth preparation means risk management, integration. They should have risk management and be prepared of it, and they should have coordination between engineers, cyber security engineers and operating engineers. So I would like to show you what we offer. But before that, I can tell you that in 1992, a technician introduced a virus in the system, in nuclear power plant system, to show that the system is vulnerable. And in 1993 and in 2003, on nuclear power plant, there is a virus called a worm, Slamenmol, that attacked nuclear plant computers and affected the computers. So with our system, when you see this system with USB key, with a WAMA program, the system can be affected. But when you see our system, this is the old system. But when you see our system, everywhere the system will ask you where access requested, access required, authenticate system and session. Request is not granted. So everywhere is protected in the system. everything is protected in the system. So I'll tell you that the implementation of a full protected and authorized cybersecurity system is the safest way to protect your power plant. And our program offers a full protection with engineers, antivirus, program, and everything at $450,000 a year with trainings. And also, I would like to tell you that with implementation of everything and the system, you won't have to worry about a cybersecurity that will attack your plant anymore. Thank you.